Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to allow sharing of stories you mention others in right from your Facebook account on the PC app. If you want your friends to easily share stories where you've tagged them, this quick guide will walk you through the latest update step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This opens a menu with several options for managing your account. From this menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Once that opens, go ahead and select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control different aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Stories. This section is dedicated to all your story preferences and controls. Inside the story settings, look for the option that says Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. This new feature is designed to give you more control over how your stories are shared, especially when you tag friends or others in your posts. To enable this, simply switch the toggle on. Once it's enabled, anyone you mention in your stories will be able to share those stories with their own friends and followers. It's a great way to boost engagement and make your stories reach even more people. And that's it! You've just updated your settings to allow sharing of mentioned stories on Facebook using the PC app. Now, whenever you tag someone, they'll have the option to share your story directly from their own account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.